I'll show you how you can get Ria money transfer promo code. Now, Ria has their own official promo code that they use to bring in new customers. I'm going to show you how to find that. First off, you want to Google Ria money transfer promo. Now, on Ria money transfer promo, you'll see a lot of websites here, but the one that you want to go ahead and click on is the one that is the official Ria money transfer website. Now, the official one will be this one, Ria money transfer ENUS promo. You want to go ahead and open this. Now, there are a couple of one as well, like there's this one as well. You can open this. Now, the one that you can be sure will work is, of course, the one that has the official website here, right? There is also this one that you can find. Now, as long as you are smart in finding the current promotions, you'll find a lot. So right now, there is a promotion that's called Hello Ria. Now, this is new customer only, and you can receive $0 fees on the first time money transfer of $50 or more. And there's things like this one as well, RTA TT5 and RCA TT10. Now, this is only available in US Ria stores. There's also this one, TENK100. It's a discount 100% on customer fees for first-time transactions. There are this one as well. This is the Senecal promotion Senecal. Discount of 100% on customer fee as well. So, of course, there are a lot. So you just have to be really smart in finding it. And of course, you just have to go to the official websites here. There are a lot of it.